Today we'll see bandpass filter simulation using PSpice. For that you need to go to Arcade and go to File, New Project. Give the name to the project. Click OK. Then go to create a blank project. OK. New simulation window will be open. This is the circuit for the bandpass filter using op-amp. We require op-amp new A741. Go to place component, type new A741 /evaluation. Okay, click on that, place the component, then press escape. Then you require 4 resistors. Go to place PSpice component, passive resistors. We require 1 capacitor. Again go to place PSpice component, passive capacitor. Then you require a supply. Go to source, voltage source, AC supply. Again go to place PSpice component, source. We require a plus sign minus source, voltage source for the op-amp. So go to DC source, for a negative supply, flip this mirror vertically. Now we'll connect this component. According to the circuit diagram. So we'll just take a wire, connect this. Okay, now all the connection is done. We need to change values of the resistance. This is 1K. This is 10K. Just click on the value. You can change the values of resistance and capacitance. 1K. And this is 0.1 nano. This is 0.2 nano. Okay, now everything is done. After connecting the circuit, you have to go to PSpice, new simulation profile, give the name, click on create. New window will be open. In this you have to go to analysis, time domain, general setting. In general setting, run to time is 0.2. and start saving data as 0.02. Then apply. OK. Go to voltage probe, place near the output. Then save and run. Go to PSpice, new simulation. Then click on create. New window will be open. Go to analysis, then AC sweep. In AC sweep, start frequency, give it as 1. End frequency 1 giga and points 100 and apply. OK. Then place the voltage probe, then save and run. Finishing the circuit, go to PSpice, new simulation, give some name, new window will be open. Go to AC sweep, give start frequency as
10 gigahertz. 10 hertz.
End frequency as 10 gigahertz.
Capital G. 100.
And points as 100. And apply. OK. So this is the response for bandpass filter.